Another garage video. Might not have enough battery or space here. We are today looking at some Wayne Dalton doors. I do not know if this is this looks like a 10x7 door. We are today looking at actually 3 doors. That one's probably a 9x7 right there, 4-panel. These are 5-panel doors. You got the big torsion springs. These are Ryobi garage door openers. There's the clicker here. I don't know what model number this is. JD6, I don't know. That's the model number. Looks pretty much like a Chamberlain button, but it's different. Number 1 does that door, and then number 2 does that one. We're going to run up this one first, and then we'll check out that one. Here we go. Pretty quiet. Very quiet indeed. These are belt drives. Very quiet openers. I can see it is a little kind of set back a little bit, but probably just for clearance or something like that. Okay, here's door number 2. Pretty quiet. Too bad. We run this back down. Very quiet indeed. I don't know why it does that, but it just does it. Alright, there it goes down that door and closes down number 1. Very quiet. Real quick, and we'll do the last door. I might run out of memory here real quick. Here's the button. This one's the small door here. Really quiet indeed. I do like how quiet these openers are. We run that back down. And this one does the same thing. Very quiet indeed. There you are, guys. Check back.